Welcome back. Let us continue. First question. The ratio of the ages of Tina and Rakesh is 9:10 respectively. 10 years ago, the ratio of their ages was 4:5 respectively. What is the present age of Rakesh? Let the ages be, for Tina let it be X, Rakesh let it be Y. The ratio is X by Y is equal to 9 by 10. 10 years ago, the ratio was 4:5. It means X minus 10 divided by Y minus 10 is equal to 4 by 5. They are asking what is the percentage of Rakesh, that is what is the value of Y. Now here we can say X is equal to 9 by 10 Y. Okay. Now we shall solve this and substitute X value as 9Y by 10. Okay. Now we shall rearrange. 5X minus 50 is equal to 4Y minus 40. Therefore 5X minus 4Y is equal to 50 minus 40, 10. In place of X, we shall write 9 by 10 Y. 5 into 9 by 10 Y minus 4Y is equal to 10. So this will be 2 times. So this is 4.5 Y minus 4Y. 10. 0.5 Y is equal to 10. This is nothing but 1 by 2. Therefore, Y is equal to 20. Answer is A, 20 years. Next question. Samir's age is 1/4 of his father's age and 2/3 of his sister Rima's age. What is the ratio of the ages of Samir, Rima and their father respectively? Let the ages be S for Samir, F for father and R for Rima. Okay. Ages. They are saying Samir's age is 1/4 of his father's age. Therefore, S is equal to 1/4 father's age and 2/3 of his sister's age. Therefore, S is equal to 2/3 of sister Rima's age. Okay, this means F is equal to 4S and again here R is equal to 3 by 2 S. Okay. Now they are asking the ratio of ages of Samir, Rima and father, that is S is to R is to F. So we shall write the values here. S is to R is 3 by 2 S. F is 4S. Okay. Now we shall take out S, which is in common. The ratio will be 1 is to 3 by 2 is to 4. Now you can multiply throughout by 2 so that we can remove the fraction. 2 is to 3 is to 8. The answer is A, 2 is to 3 is to 8. Next question. The age of father 10 years ago was thrice the age of his son. 10 years hence, father's age will be twice that of his son. Find the ratio of their present ages. Okay. Let the ages be X and Y for father and son respectively. Okay. Now they are saying the age of father 10 years ago was thrice the age of his son. 10 years ago. Here the age of father is X minus 10, which is equal to thrice the age of his son, Y minus 10. Okay. Now 10 years hence, the father's age will be twice of his son. 10 years hence. It means after 10 years. Therefore, you have to use X plus 10, not X, because they are saying 10 years hence, not from the 10 years ago case, it is from the present case. So it is X plus 10 into twice of Y plus 10. Now we have to solve these two equations. Okay. The first equation, when we rearrange, it will be X minus 10 is equal to 3Y minus 30. Again it will be 3Y minus X is equal to 20. Next, this will be X plus 10 is equal to 2Y plus 20, which implies 2Y minus X is equal to minus 10. Now we shall subtract them. When we subtract, 3Y minus 2Y will be Y. This will get cancelled, that is X will get cancelled, which is equal to 20 minus of minus 10. Therefore, Y is equal to 30. If Y is equal to 30, let us calculate X. 3Y minus X is equal to 20. X is equal to 3Y minus 20. Substituting Y is equal to 30, it will be 3 into 30 minus 20. 90 minus 20 is 70. The ratio is 70 is to 30, which is nothing but 7 is to 3. Answer is B, 7 is to 3. Next question. The present ages of Amit and his father are in the ratio 2:5 respectively. 4 years hence, the ratio of their ages becomes 5:11 respectively. What was the father's age 5 years ago? Okay, let the ages be x and y for Amit and father respectively. Amit, father. This is the ages. Okay. Now the present ages are in the ratio 2:5. That is x by y is equal to 2 by 5. 4 years hence, that is after 4 years, the ratio will become 5:11. X plus 4 divided by y plus 4 is equal to 5 by 11. What was the father's age 5 years ago? It means they are asking y minus 5 is equal to what? Now here we shall try to rearrange the equation in terms of y. Therefore, x will be equal to 2y by 5. Okay, now we shall rearrange the second equation and substitute x value. Here it is 11x plus 44 is equal to 5y plus 20. Okay. Now in place of x we shall substitute 2y by 5. 11 into 2y by 5 plus 44 is equal to 5y plus 20. So rearranging we will get 44 minus 20 is 24, which is equal to 5y minus 11 into 2 by 5, that is 22 by 5y. This will be 24 is equal to, we can take 5 in common, therefore it will be 5, 25 minus 22 of y. Again this will be 3 by 5 y. This will be 24. This will be 8 times. Y is equal to 5 8s are 40. But they are asking father's age 5 years ago. It means y minus 5. Y minus 5 is equal to 35. So the answer is 35 and not 40. Answer is B. Next question. The ages of A and B are in the ratio 6:5 and the sum of their ages is 44 years. What will be the ratio of the ages after 8 years? Okay. Let A and B represent the ages for A and B. Okay. The ages are in the ratio 6:5. Okay. The sum of their ages is 44. That is A plus B is equal to 44. They are asking what will be the ratio of their ages after 8 years. That is, what is A plus 8 divided by B plus 8. Okay. Now let us solve A and B. So A will be equal to 6 by 5B. We shall substitute this here. 6 by 5B plus B is equal to 44. Taking B common, this will be 5 plus 6 by 5 is equal to 44. Therefore, B into 11 by 5 is equal to 44. This will be 4 times. B is equal to 20. Now A is equal to 6 by 5B. 6 by 5 into 20. This is 4 times. A is equal to 24. Now they are asking what is A plus 8 by B plus 8. A plus 8 by B plus 8 is equal to 24 plus 8, 32, and 20 plus 8, that is 28. So the ratio will be 8:7 if you are dividing by 4. So the ratio is 8:7. Answer is B. Let us stop here and continue in the next video. Thank you.